guys, it's Earl with Lone Star Reptiles. We've got a couple clutches of eggs to cut today. The first one we're going to do is going to be a blade mahogany het clown to a pinstripe het clown. So we had one sticking its head out already. We'll go ahead and get it first. Freddy Krueger got a hold of this egg. And that is a pinstripe clown. Second one. Guys, I have visitors in here today. This is the first time they've ever watched this, so. That is a jigsaw. It's not a jigsaw clown, but it is a jigsaw. We are after the jigsaw clowns here, so. That is a Mojave. That is a pinstripe. I'm going to give my jigsaw clown. I don't want to have to breed for these again next year. There is a jigsaw clown. Awesome. It doesn't mean all my Mojave and pinstripe stuff's for sale yet. We're still keeping it. And it's a, looks like it might be a Mojave clown. That's a Mojave clown. Awesome, 3 clowns out of this from a het-to-het pairing. That's pretty damn awesome. And that is another clown. That's another pinstripe clown. 4 clowns out of a het-to-het pairing. That's awesome. Alright, next clutch will be Dark Wonder to Cinnamon. So these are all going to be hets. But we can get some cinnamons in here that are het for Dark Wonder. That is a normal 100% het for Dark Wonder. There's another normal. There is a cinnamon het for Dark Wonder. There's a normal. I'm not getting very lucky on this cinnamon stuff. There's another normal.
This one's going to be cinnamon.
This is going to be cinnamon?
Yep.
It better be. It is a normal. Alright guys, that's awesome. Alright guys, go check us out at LoneStarReptiles.com. You can also check us out at Lone Star Reptiles on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget our sponsor, Sensor Push. Go check out sensorpush.com. You can check out their new sensors for humidity and temperature. Alright guys, if you have any questions, please call us at 817-213-7575. Hope everybody's having a great season. Until next time, thanks.